Miss Electra, and today's video is I am transforming my powder room down here for the family and for the guests, so that's exciting. It's not a big room, it's small, so I'm going to transform it into farmhouse style. I know you guys are going to love it. And today I'm going to show you all the things that I picked up for the transformation for that powder room. Alright, so let's get into the video and let me show you what I picked up. I picked up from Hobby Lobby and I picked up some great stuff from Amazon. So it's going to be, you know, two different places. Alright, so let's get into the video and let me show you what I picked up. So there's two things that are up on the wall already, and I will show you that right after I show you these that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So let's start with towels. So I picked up these two towels for the spring collection. Really nice towels, good quality, pretty long. So these are kitchen towels, but I'm gonna use these in the bathroom that I'm redoing right now. So I like this because this is like farmhouse. So these scream farmhouse. I like it for the kitchen too. They're really nice. I like them. I should have got more because I know these are gonna sell out quick. They were like in the spring section, which I eyed some other things in the spring section because I had gone really early, or a month before. When I went to pick these up, everything was gone. They were like these placemats that were like red and white checkered that I know I could use next year for Christmas or even for Valentine's Day. So I went, they were gone. They even had like chargers, which I had some really good ideas. I could use it for Christmas, for Valentine's, even for 4th of July. So I was really bummed because I really wanted to use it for those seasons. So yeah. Oh, and they had these other, like, even had these napkin rings that were really nice. I think they were lamb's ear. I'm pretty sure, but I really wanted to get them, and they were, you know, for the napkin holder. So, because I wanted to use that for my spring tablescape. But I went back; they were all gone. So that's why I tell you, if you see something, buy it. So I'm learning my lesson. I should have just bought it because I was like, oh, it's gonna be there when I come and pick up the kitchen towels. It doesn't work like that. So when I went back, there were other stuff there. I was like, wait, what happened to those napkin rings? So they were gone, and they're not going to bring any more. And I had asked the girl about certain plates. She's like, whatever's there, when it's seasonal, it doesn't come back again, or, you know, they don't reorder. All right, so anyway, enough of that because I'm really going on and on, but I just wanted to explain, you know, how it happens in Hobby Lobby. So anyway, I picked these up. These are going to go in the bathroom. Then I picked up this. I thought that was cute, and everything was on sale. So, I don't know. When I saw this, I thought of bathroom, and I was like, let me just get it. I don't know if I'll use it in the bathroom down here, or I can always put it in my bathroom. So, cute little stool. You know, it's not that big. You can even put a plant on it, so you can do many things. You could put your soap, whatever, you know, you want. So, this is really cute. And then I was looking for a trash can. I couldn't find like kinds of the trash can I was looking for. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this. So this is like an olive bucket kind of, I don't know. But anyway, it reminds me of a trash can. So it's like the perfect size for a trash can and the lid, you know. Doesn't it scream trash can? I don't know. I just liked it, and I like how it looks. So this is going to be the trash can for that bathroom. Oh, and I wanted to tell you, Hobby Lobby had a lot of pots like this, these clay pots that look really old looking, you know, different kind of styles and color. I picked this one. I actually picked two of them, which I think is really cute, and I'm going to use it like this. You just find a little plant, you know, you could put a succulent, anything. I think it's so cute. So yeah, so they have many like pots like this. And then they had these little ones, these little olive buckets. So I picked these up because you could do a lot with this. You could actually put a plant like what I did, or you can use this in your bathroom to put your toothbrush, your Q-tips. This is like endless. You could put this on your table for your tablescape and put like, because Easter's coming, you could put like the little eggs and stuff. So I picked up these. I think this is a good idea, and you can do many things with these. So that's what I picked up. I don't know where it's gonna go, but So right now, I'm going to show you the two things that I hung up on the wall. I got those from Hobby Lobby too. All right, so I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the mirror that I picked up. It's on the wall. So I picked up this one, this kind of, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I'm not too happy with it, but this is the other like shelf that I got. All right, and these were both on sale. All right, so now let me show you what I got from Amazon. I really liked what I got from Amazon. They have a lot of like Farmhouse stuff on Amazon if you really, really look through. And yes, because I forgot to tell you guys. All right, speaking of Amazon, I almost forgot to tell you this guys. But anyway, I picked up these pillow cases, not the whole pillow, the insert, which I'm looking just for pillowcases because it's easier to store. So remember I picked up that blanket, I picked up these pillows. I got 3. They're really good quality and they weigh $11. I don't know for 3, I can't even remember right now, or for 1, which is a good deal. Because if you go to Pottery Barn, I don't know, they're like $50 each pillowcase, you know, if you don't get them on sale. All right, so these are from Amazon, really good deal from Amazon. So I like them, and then they have red and white. And then they have like, I think like a tan, like a cream color, which would be nice for the spring if I choose to, you know, take this and put the cream. I think that would be really nice. So I'm looking into like the cream. I'm thinking, should I get the cream or not? Maybe like for Easter time. So yeah, so this is a good buy. And then, all right, and I want to show you this, guys. This is really, really cute. Okay, this is to hang your towel. Let me show you so you can get an idea. Okay, so you hang your towel from here. You can put this either in your kitchen or your bathroom, and it kind of reminds me like a, you know, a grater. And then up here you put like flowers, or you can put magazines, but I don't think the magazine will fit. You're gonna have to roll it. You can maybe put towels, right? I don't know, but I would like to put like maybe flowers and put it in the bathroom. So love this find from Amazon. They have like really nice farmhouse style, like unique in Amazon, I found. And then I found this cute little, I don't know, galvanized little bucket for the bathroom. And I like that it's little. I would like to get a bigger one, but I knew this was little because when I ordered, I seen the measurements and they did say, you know, it's like palm size. But how cute to put your Q-tips, your little cotton balls, anything, even the soap. It's so cute. You can put a soap and then a sponge. So you could do a lot with this, which I'm gonna buy a few more because I wanna put some in my children's room for their Q-tips and stuff. So yeah, they had like really nice things. You can't really put a toothbrush because it's not high enough, but you could put other things you need for the bathroom. Very cute. And then I found this bathtub, this vintage bathtub. I thought it was really cute that you could use in your bathroom again. You could put your soap, you know, put like 2 bars of soap just for display, or you can really use it because it's ceramic and you just wash it. So it's like a little dish. So I like these because you can use them in, you know, the guest bathroom. You can use it in your bathroom, the kids' bathroom. And I don't know, it's very cute. It has like a country charm to it. So very cute. All right, so this is what I got for the powdered room down here. That's for the transformation. So stay tuned for that video. After this video, it should be the transformation video so you can see how I transform it. I'm gonna show you before and after. It's gonna be really fun. So these are the things that I picked up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on my videos. And I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!